Hey guys, Greg here from Greg Pittman Drone Tech. Today I want to talk about this little guy. Went out this morning to fly and lost control. Didn't have any controls on it, and I had the obstacle avoidance on, but it backed right into a tree and to the ground, and it broke a leg. You can see right here, it's all cracked. I contacted Hubsan about it. I'm waiting for a reply from them because I've been in contact with them over the gimbal issue. I have a gimbal on this particular drone here that it's hitting the dampeners. As you can see right here, hold it up to the camera. When you turn it this way, it's catching. It has a catch right there. So it's fine going that way, but when it comes back over this way, it catches. It's not smooth like it should be. But that's what I've been talking to them about, and also the camera coming in and out of color on it. It changes the color scheme. It's like it goes from decentilite or from log to regular picture and then back to log. Anyway, that's what I've been talking to them about on that, and it's just been send me flight records, send me this video, send me that. And I'm getting tired of the emails going back and forth and what they're asking. So I decided I'm going to do a video that shows the damage of the drone. Hubsan, if you're looking at this video, I don't think that I should have to pay for a defective drone. I went to the website and I started to submit a ticket for the care refresh, but the care refresh is $229. It does not list USA as one of the countries. So I contacted them about that as well, and again, I'm waiting to hear back from them. But my understanding is with the care refresh, you don't send your drone in, that you just get another drone. And if that's the case, I might try to glue this leg, and I don't know, but I think that paying what we paid for it and then to have to pay another $226 is just it's just maddening. It just because you're going to have basically $800 in a drone that's only worth $300 or $400. And I don't know that with things not working right on it, that it's $300 or $400 would be a ballpark for it. Because it did fly good up until today. It flew really good, but for Hubsan, it's not DJI level, but it did pretty good. I just wish Hubsan will step up and honor their drone. I think they should send me another drone at no cost, because this one wasn't right to begin with. But to pay $226, I don't know that I'm going to do that. We'll just have to wait and see. But I will follow up on this video. I'll let you know what Hubsan does. Hopefully they do right by me. I'm not a hard person to get along with. I just want what I pay for, just like everybody else. So anyway, that's my video for today, just to kind of let you know what's going on, and I'll keep you posted in videos coming up. Anyway, if you like this kind of stuff, consider subscribing, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Anyway, until next time, I will catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye.